What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, continuing the Mustang content. Hopefully no crowds involved today. We are racing a 15, I think. 2015 Chevy SS, aka Holden. I got some, you guys have already seen little cinematic clips of it, but it's a really nice color. He told me the color and I already forgot the name of it, but
it's orange.
Super nice. It's completely stock. I think it might have like an axle back, but yeah, it's completely stock. It's a super nice car, and so we thought it'd be a good run for the Mustang. We're gonna do a dig, which I don't know why. We're both on shitty ass tires, but we don't have any power, so we're gonna do a little dig, and then we'll do a 40 roll, and that'll pretty much be it. Just, I'm really trying to get a lot of content while the car is stock to kind of see where the car is at versus other cars that are stock. And I think for you guys that are wondering how fast these stock Mustangs are, they're not that fast, but I think they're pretty quick for being a completely stock 5.0 V8, no power adder. So obviously there's no supercharger, no turbo yet, so it's really slow, but it's cool to see where they compare to like vehicles in the similar power range, because that is in the similar power range. It's got a little bit less, but I definitely have the weight advantage on that car because it's a big four-door. So we'll show you guys what happened. Give it a thumbs up if you're pulling for the Mustang to win.
Guadalajara, al tequila y a las tortas ahogadas, ¡sí, señor!
His car actually hung really well. This car just, man, it actually has some top end to it. But we think, Justin and I think it's because the car's a lot more aerodynamic and it's lighter. So I think up top it does a little bit better. Because this, with how many gears it has, this does really bad down low because it's got so many gears, so it's constantly shifting. And like I said, if you don't choose the gear, like when we did the roll, I had to choose the gear, because if you don't choose the gear, it has to shift down like 2 times to get into the right gear. So, but his car, I mean, it runs really good. I mean, they're both completely stock, so they both run really good. And when we did the digs, we both like screeched the tires, but we weren't burning out. I mean, I could feel it kind of skate a little bit, but it wasn't, it's not like it was actually losing that much traction. So it's a pretty good run. So we're gonna go take a quick thumbnail for you guys. But there's another quick video. Like I said, I just want to get a lot of content of this car stock versus cars in similar power, or even cars that are a lot faster. I don't care. I just want a lot of base footage so that when we mod the car, you can see us whoop everybody's ass. So I think this is going to be such a fun project. I mean, there's going to be a lot of times where I hate this freaking car, I'm sure, when we break shit or when shit's not working like it's supposed to. But that's the joy of modding cars. No matter what car you mod, there'll always be pros and cons. But I'm really excited to see what we do with this platform. So, huge shout out to Joseph. Make sure you follow him at Streetcar Joe on Instagram. He's got the badass 4-second Trans Am. Car is killer. And he also owns the Holden, aka Chevy SS, the Australia edition. So make sure you guys always follow me on Instagram and Snapchat for the most up-to-date shit, because I'm on there a lot more than I am on YouTube at VanV39. Make sure you follow Kennedy at Kennedy McCall, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Mustang.